Manners in classroom. Students, good manner is the way to behaving the pupils. What's the behavior of the pupils from the pupils? What is the behavior of the teachers from the students? What is the behavior of the students from the teachers? This is the behavior. Behavior is very important, and good manner is very important to doing the conversation from the pupils effectively and your expectations and what is the value of the in the society. So this is very important how you are in manner. So students, today I am again presenting to all of you and telling about the students some of the manners in classroom. So myself Anmol Rajput from class 9, and today I am giving the thought to all of you and giving the topic to all of you. On the topic is manners in classroom. विद्यार्थियों, आज मैं आप लोगों को एक टॉपिक दूंगा और माय टॉपिक इज ऑन द मैनर्स इन द क्लासरूम. हमारा कक्षा में कैसा शिष्टाचार होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट थिंग्स आई एम टेलिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, गुड मैनर्स इज एवरीवेयर टू टेकिंग यू द सक्सेस एंड इट्स हेल्प इन अचीविंग द गोल्स. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड इट and are you agree with me? Yes, good manners are also help in achieving the goals. So you every students, I am saying to all of you, you comes and take the follow the rules of the good manners. So students, I am Anmol Rajput and today I am giving the 5 tips as well as many tips. Some tips to achieving the goals and the good manners in the classroom. So students, you understand it. फर्स्ट, रेस्पेक्ट योर टीचर. अपने अध्यापकों की रेस्पेक्ट कीजिए, उनका आदर कीजिए. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स. रेस्पेक्ट योर टीचर. एंड द सेकेंड इज एवरी स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द रूल्स टू सिटिंग इन द क्लासरूम्स. सेकेंड इज टेक द परमिशन ऑफ योर टीचर to enter or out of the class. Second is, जब आप क्लास से बाहर निकले, कक्षा से बाहर निकले, तो अपने अध्यापक की आप अनुमति के बगैर बाहर ना निकलें. And the third is, listen carefully what's the teachers telling you, what's teacher reading you. अच्छे से पढ़िए कि आपको अध्यापक क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या आपको समझा रहे हैं. In this time, so don't doing the conversation and don't disturb the class. It's very important. And the fourth is, don't disturbance create in the classroom. क्लास में झगड़ा, शोर ये नहीं होना चाहिए. It's very important to all of you. And when the time of the teacher is not present in the class, और जब अध्यापक क्लास में ना हो, in this times, the manage of the classroom, the head in charge is monitor. So respect your monitor. When the teacher is not present in the class, don't disturb the monitor. And every students to respect your for parents as well as teachers as well as monitor. Don't disturbance create in the classrooms. Don't quarreling every time. Sitting properly. And there is very important is that first things I am telling to all of you, if the teachers understanding to all of you and reading to all of you, जब अध्यापक आपको पढ़ा रहे होते हैं, in this times if you have any type of problem, और इस समय आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, if you have any questions then tell me and firstly raise your hand. पहले अपनी आज्ञा उनकी लीजिए, अपना रेज कीजिए, अपना हाथ उठाइए और telling to the and ask the questions like this. Sir, can I ask you a question? Please give me the answer of this question. So this is the some behavior, and not this is says like this, but I have question. I am telling to all of you. This is wrong way. So respect your teacher and managing the class disturbance. Every student. Not this is the monitor's duty. All students to manage the class. Don't throwing papers here and there. Use the dustbin. And share your lunch with your friends. अपना लंच अपने मित्रों के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए. And there is important to all of you. If you understanding it, you success in their life. Thank you and have a nice day.